Hey, y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called How Do I Track Progress During a Renovation Project? All right, folks, let's get this train rolling. You're knee deep in a renovation, and it's starting to feel like trying to wrangle cats into a bath, chaotic and unpredictable. But don't sweat it, because I've got some solid gold strategies to keep you on track and ensure your Reno project doesn't derail into the realm of eternal chaos. First up, communication. It's the powerhouse, the MVP of any renovation endeavor. Regular check-ins with your contractor are like the GPS recalculating your route when you miss an exit. Weekly updates aren't just nice to have, they're essential. They keep everyone on the same page, prevent misunderstandings, and steer your project toward completion without those unwanted detours. Next, embrace the digital revolution. Use project management apps like Trello or Asana that organize tasks, deadlines, and assigned responsibilities. These tools are snapshots of where your project stands, offering that sweet oversight you've been dreaming of. Plus, it reduces your chances of those late-night panic attacks wondering if tile A should have been tile B all along. Now I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Ensure you hire a contractor who values transparency as much as you do. They should know these tools and processes like the back of their hand. And here's a real game changer. Document everything visually. Take photos at different stages to compare progress and catch potential issues before they snowball. It's like a visual diary for your renovation, a record that tells you where you started and acts as your renovation GPS, complete with virtual checkmarks of pride. Also, consider weekly walkthroughs. These in-person sessions with your contractor allow you to address concerns on site, see plans in action, and keep the momentum stronger than a morning double espresso. Be prepared, because despite everyone's best efforts, delays might crop up like unwelcome commercials during your favorite show. Materials could arrive late, or you might hit unexpected snags. Plan some buffer time to absorb these hiccups. They're little bumps, not roadblock avalanches. Stick to an updated timeline and budget tracker. Adaptations might be necessary, but they're manageable when headed off with a plan. A well-laid-out strategy pairs nicely with a proactive mindset, so you remain in control. By staying organized, communicating openly, and wielding technology like a seasoned pro, you'll see your renovation through as fluidly as flowing water. No road is without pebbles, but with these tips, you'll navigate them with grace. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.